Hello everyone. Today I'll tell you how to remove any object without doing any detailed selection from an image. So without any delay, let's start. Select your layer from layer panels. Go to menu bar and select subject. Here Photoshop will detect your subject, the main subject, automatically, so you need not to make any fine selections manually, just like by using quick selection tool or by magic wand tool. But here Photoshop will detect the main subject automatically. Now go to expand and expand your selection by selecting the value 8 to 10 pixels depending upon the complexity of your subject. I'll select 8 pixels. Now hit OK. You need to rasterize your layer first from layer panels so that we could apply any effects or changings upon an image. Now go to fill and select content aware tool to make final selection and hit OK. Now you can see Photoshop will automatically remove the subject and it's quite fine. Here you can also make your selection by removing only this little cute girl by selecting the subject. Select quick selection tool from toolbar and then hold Alt key and click and drag your selection from the dog. To remove your selection from the dog and only the girl will remain selected. Now you need to repeat the same process by going to select, modify, expand your selections 8 to 10 pixels and then content aware tool to remove the girl. See the selection, it's a really fine selection, so you need not to do it manually by using quick selection tool or magic wand tool. That's all. Thank you for watching.